Hello everyone. So in this video, I would be giving you the update of my stock portfolio. So till now, I have started my investing journey in 2024, 21, and recently we have entered in 2024. So in earlier days, I have just invested around 2000 rupees. After I have moved to 17K. So here is my journey of investing. So I think there might be some error in the calculation. So this is my journey. So I have divided my money into four parts. That is FD. FD would be the cash flow for the future opportunities and the index stock. So earlier I used to invest individually in index stock, but I have sold all the stocks because for me it would be difficult to know the performance, when to sell, when to upsell, when to aggregate, when to do what. So I have sold all my index stocks in the month of March. So these are my index stocks which I have sold, uh, some at a profit and some at a loss. But overall, I have 23K profit, and this is my overall thing. I have put in all those money in the mutual fund. So let's go to mutual fund. In the mutual fund, in the mutual fund, I basically divided my money into large cap, this Nifty Next 50, and in the mid cap, I have two mutual fund for the mid cap, that is Axis Mid Cap, and second one is Motilal Oswal Mid Cap. So both of these are the high performing mutual fund, and third one is small cap. For the small cap, I have preferred to take Kotak Small Cap and Nippon India Small Cap, which is this is the index mutual fund. And for the tax saving purpose, I have invested in two ELSs. So this ELSs I have invested in 2021, and this is the ELSs fund that I have invested in 2023 for the financial year 23-24. And this banking mutual fund I have purchased in around month of Feb. So all these are pretty new stocks except from Mirai Asset and Kotak Small Cap. So these are my performance of small cap. So I think these are giving a decent 11% return. As you can see, I've invested most of my money over here. So as you can see, I have invested most of the money in 2022 and in 23, mostly around like in September 23, I've invested most of my money. So I hope these will give me a good performing stock. Now let's come to the US stocks. Yes. So US stocks has given me around 60,000 profit till now, which is fine, which is around 11 per annum. So here is my history of investing US stocks. So I have mostly invested in 2022 through IND money and invested app. This is my history of investing. So when it comes to investing in US stock, I basically prefer IND money invested. So through these apps, you can invest individually in the stocks. But when it comes to the Like now I'm preferring more investing through mutual fund. So I have purchased two mutual fund through ETF in Kite app Zerodha. So these are the two mutual fund ETFs that I purchased. Mirai Asset. Mirai Asset is basically it's a mutual fund ETF which invests in Mafang. Basically, I will show you the common 10, 12 stocks in this portfolio. So these are basically Nvidia, and I'm pretty bullish on Nvidia because like the kind of chips and the innovation that they are doing. Afterward, Meta is the new AI. They are already working on AI. Netflix is there, Broadcom, Amazon, good, Microsoft, Alphabet. So these are the company that I have been investing in. So this is like group of 10, 12 companies. So I think they will give me a good return in the next 5 to 7 years. Now, second one is Motilal Oswal Nasdaq. So it basically replicates the Nasdaq top 100 company in US. So so it's a quite similar. In most of the company, it is dominated by Fang companies. But I think it gives the good idea of US companies. So as you can see in the last 5 years, has given me it has given us the good return. So so overall these are like I've invested through IND money invested in individual stocks and through ETF in Kite Zerodha. So these are my returns. I think the Nasdaq has given around 13% on year to year profit. That is pretty good for me. Next one is FD. So basically it's a parked money for me and I will be redeeming all these money and I will be investing in stock market whenever I will get the opportunity. So I have invested around uh, started FD from 2023 last year. So it has grown now. So basically these are opportunity money that I keeping it with me during the bad time. I will be investing all this money in the stock market. So I invested in different accounts. It's pretty straightforward. And when it comes to the individual stocks, that I've already told you that I have sold all my individual stocks now because for me it would be very difficult to know in which stock to invest and in which stock not to invest and where to redeem. So recently in the month of March, I purchased some Bajaj Finance stocks and it has already given me a good return of 15% till 31st March. Now let me show you overall status of the portfolio. So these are divided into mutual fund stocks, individual stocks, and FDs. So I'm getting around 8% absolute and 10% per annum that I would be increasing till 13 or 14% year on year basis. So this is the history of the stock investment. Yeah, pretty that much. So I will be updating uh, my portfolio next month on 30th April. This is by Yahoo Finance tracking link. As you can see in both the app, they same tracking information. So thank you for watching my video.